It's funny how everyone talks about Debian 13 Trixie as just another stable update, but no one really digs into what's happening beneath the surface. On paper, it looks like a typical Debian release: new kernel, updated packages, better hardware support, but there's more to it than that. The developers are quietly setting the stage for a deeper transformation of Debian's infrastructure, one that hints at where the next decade of Linux distributions might be heading. One thing they're not openly emphasizing is how Trixie is subtly laying groundwork for a smoother transition to Wayland across all desktop environments. While GNOME users already rely on Wayland, KDE Plasma and XFCE in Trixie are being tuned to make that shift more seamless. It's not officially branded as a major change yet, but the under-the-hood adjustments clearly point toward it. Then there's the story behind the kernel. While Debian 13 ships with a modern Linux kernel, the choice of kernel parameters, patches, and included drivers is carefully curated to maintain long-term stability. But some argue it slightly limits performance optimization. The Debian team is prioritizing predictability over bleeding-edge speed, which is why you won't see flashy benchmarks in their release notes. Yet for server admins and developers who depend on uptime over novelty, this is a hidden advantage that many newer users might overlook. What's also being quietly rolled out is a push towards stronger reproducible builds. Debian has been working for years to make every package verifiable, meaning anyone can rebuild the same binary and confirm it matches the official release. This effort is about trust and transparency, especially in an age when open source security is being questioned more than ever. What they're not saying outright is that Debian 13 is preparing for a bigger ecosystem shift toward decentralization, reproducibility, and quiet modernization. It's not trying to outshine Fedora or Ubuntu. It's building the foundation that those distributions often rely on. Debian's strength has always been its stability and philosophy, and with Trixie, it's reaffirming that the real evolution of Linux doesn't need loud announcements. Just consistent, deliberate progress that keeps the entire ecosystem grounded.